Guys, nou ki ta konen salye deja, se tu beauty ki la avek nou jodi, ki vini avek yon pwen yon ti video pou nou jodi. Kote m pral montre nou an fason ke ou ka frize, ki ka chanje jan frize pou toutan pou la vi. Ok, so, li gou, ou pa bezen banan, ou pa bezen anyen pou manje, ou pa bezen pen, ou pa bezen anyen. It's very good. Once you mette on set ingredients that I done, it changes everything. Okay? So, what's the ingredients? The ingredients is pesty. This right here. This is it. Okay? So, I didn't know how good this was in eggs and the difference that they mix in it. So somebody teach me, they didn't teach me, but they made it with this. And then I tasted, and they made it with the hot dog too. Okay? And I tasted it, I'm like, that's something I've never tasted before. That's eggs that I've never tasted all my life. Not in Haiti, not here. And when I asked, what did she add? This was it. It was this, and this. And she had put épices, you know that, Maggie, and hot pepper. But since my daughter eating, I'm replacing the pepper with this, since my daughter will be eating in it. Okay? You see this? I bought this from Walmart, Boynton Beach Walmart, $1.89, because it's some good pepper, like good hot sauce, like good, perfect, nice, and tasty. So, let's get to it. I'm gonna clean up this. I'm gonna take the white stuff out, and then we gonna get to it. Okay, we're gonna get started, but it's gonna change the way it tastes. Good, it's nice, guys, no joke, it's delicious. So let's get to the eggs. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, I took the white stuff out. Mettez bagay blanc yo, okay, mettez bagay blanc yo, and premier bagay wala ajoute is the épices. Okay, so m'ajoute épices non. Okay, brasser la épice non. Brasser, okay. Make sure épice là bien mêlé avec ça. Make sure the eggs and the marinade, you know, mix well with together. And then after we're gonna add the hot dog, okay? Whoa, guys. I have forget to cut one. So I'm gonna take it out because I don't need all that hot dog. Well, I didn't cut two of them. I'm gonna take it out. And I had already rinsed it off. So before you cut the hot dog, don't ever forget to rinse the hot dog off, because you don't know who touched it, where it has been. Okay, that's fine. So after you're done adding the hot dog, let me make sure my daughter not being bad. Nay. All right. After that, so now we're gonna add the pepper, green pepper, not spicy, regular pepper, regular sweet pepper. Okay. We're gonna add it to the eggs. You could do it like a different way, like adding them ingredients. Ou ka ajoute ingredients sur différentes façons. Il va gen pou l'an step qui me fait là, but si vous voulez faire de façon pas maintenant, it's fine. If you wanna do it this way, okay. Mix, and mix. Give it a good mix. Okay, so now we're gonna add the pepper. Okay, not too much because my daughter would be a part of this. Okay, everything I gotta give my daughter, because she eat everything. Lucky me, I have a good daughter that eats everything. Okay, so I add the pepper. So now we're gonna add a little bit of Maggie, a little bit, okay? You see, a little bit of Maggie, not much. That's it. Well, that's it. Okay. And then you're gonna mix. You don't have to put a lot of Maggi in your food for it to taste good. Okay. There's too much Maggi is not good for you. Wow, looking good already, huh? Yeah. Okay, so you add the Maggi. So now we're adding the lemon. Well, lime. The other one is lemon. Okay, we're gonna add the lime to it, and this is to disinfect the eggs. You know what lemon? You know, lemon, good stuff. You disinfect it, and if you don't know how to cook eggs, it could help, you know, to reduce the smell to the eggs if you don't know how to cook it. But if you do, you don't have to use the lemon, but it disinfects it. It give it a little, you know, good taste. Okay, I add the lemon juice. Okay, mix. With me, you don't have to go to Haiti to eat some good eggs. You don't gotta go to Haiti, baby. The eggs may be fake or whatever, you know, but I got this. You don't need no plantain for this. Okay, so the last ingredients would be this. I show it to you guys. This is the key ingredients that's gonna change everything. This is perfect, but it's gonna be extra perfect. So you're gonna take the little pieces, the little green pieces. You don't take the little whatever it's called, okay? The branches, you don't take it. You just take the little leaves and just put them in there, okay? Just the leaves. Just the feyo ou pas mettre boyo, okay? Ou de genen mettre lancer. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. Already boiling, but then the thing is, I boil. Fait ajouter cette là-dedans, banane douce, okay, guys? Sweet plantain. So you guys get fini parce que on banane douce, okay? So that's the plantain. That's what I'm making the eggs with. Okay, guys. So I add the. Excuse my finger. I went behind the camera. You guys know I'm the one filming for you guys. Someone can film it, so excuse it. So I added to it. Okay, so here you go. Now my mom's on the phone, like in the background. I'm sorry, this lady talks so damn much. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of end the video because she talked too much. All right. Make sure you guys taste it before you guys add it to the fryer. Like before you guys add it to the oil, the whole thing. Make sure you guys taste it to make sure it tastes good before. If it doesn't taste good enough, you could add any ingredients that it needs before you fry it. Just to make sure if you're feeding yourself, your man, whatever it is, that is delicious. Okay, that's what I do. So I put the oil in, and now I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna fry a little bit to taste, and then I'll know. It is delicious. Okay, I've tasted. You see this? I've tasted. It's good. Nothing needs to be added. Perfect. So I'm gonna add it in now. And it's frying. It's frying. You guys, I'm dumb, okay? I'm dumb. But yes, it's frying, it's frying, it's frying. Yes, let's get to this. I can't wait. Lord have mercy. All right, guys, I hope you guys had enjoyed this. And this is my plantain right here. Yeah, this is my 3 sweet plantain. And this is my eggs. And I will be having it. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be having it with. Yes. Okay. Mwah. Okay, this is what I'm going to be having. My banana. Well, not banana. My plantain with my eggs. This is what I'm going to be having, guys. The best drink ever. I'm in love with these, guys. I can't wait to get my own place. And ooh, just be enjoying myself, boy, every time I eat. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is how I fry my eggs. Okay, guys, when I'm eating it with plantain, this is how I do it. When I'm having it with plantain, that's how I do it. And have you guys noticed how you like whitish eggs look now? They used to be yellow. Now they like so white. It's weird. I think these people trying to kill us, boy. But yeah, so this is basically it. That's how I eat my eggs with my baby. I break them down for the plantain. So yeah, let me tell y'all, it smells really good. You know, c'est du bruit qui l'a avec aujourd'hui, dis nous, ça a vraiment goût. Il smell vraiment goût. smells like, the same way it tastes. It smells the same way. Let me tell y'all. Well, crasé la petite pomme, well crasé. See how I break it down when I'm eating it with plantain? Si c'était à peine, bah, faire ça. Depuis c'est avec banane. Quand ça me fait les pim pour qui est banane, tout quand qui est de ma petite. Ça fait pas pile là. Okay. This is it, guys. A different way of making Haitian eggs that will change the way you make eggs forever, because it's delicious. The same way the girl got me. This is it. Now I'm a pro. I got this. Okay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe. There will be more videos coming with more cooking, more hair, more of everything, you know. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and like and comment. Okay guys, this is it right here. I don't take the banana because the banana, I just leave it like this. I just take the skin out and leave it like this. But this is it for me and my baby. All right, so my baby being annoying right now, so I gotta go. So yeah, I hope you guys like. I hope you guys enjoy. Whoever's gonna try. Love you guys, and thank you for watching. This is True Beauty. One love. Team bless.